Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pop the hood. Over here, next to the footrest, you just pull the lever like that. Release the hood. Put the prop rod there. We're going to disconnect the negative terminal first. We'll use a 10mm wrench. Loosen this up. Remove that. Always take the negative off first when you're removing a battery. And then we'll take the positive off. Loosen this with a 10mm wrench. We'll take this off. You can pop this off here. I'll just use a trim tool. Get that out of the way. We'll take a 10mm socket with an extension and a ratchet. I'm going to loosen up this hold down bracket. We don't have to take it all the way off. We're just going to loosen it up because it's clipped in down below. And then once that's low enough, then I can release it there. Pull this up. Should be able to pull this one down here. Release that like that. And set that aside. I can grab the battery. And slide it out. There's a cover on here, and there's the battery. The tray goes back in there, like that. Pick up the battery, install that. There's a cover. Cover goes on. Just like that. Reinstall the hold down. We're going to have to slide these into the little holes down below. So right there, like that. And then on the front side, we'll do the same. Right there like that. Take our 10mm socket, extension and ratchet, tighten these down. You're going to want to do these kind of evenly. Just like that. Next, before I put the terminals on, I just want to clean these out. You can use a terminal tool. Make sure you get a good connection. We'll do the same to this negative post as well, negative terminal. Just clean that out. Now when you're installing the battery and connecting it, you always want to connect the positive side first. That way, if you are tightening this down with your 10mm ratchet and you hit a ground, it's not going to arc out. Versus if you had it connected the ground first and you touched ground with your wrench, you're going to arc it out and it'll have sparks. It'll be a bad day. Then we'll tighten the negative up. just snug. Grab the terminal, just shake it side to side, make sure it's tight. We can reinstall this retainer that holds the wire on. We can close the hood, put the prop rod there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.